Now if you've been watching this, I just showed you how to install the ground wires. We've got 2 light switches coming out of here. Each one is going to need a ground wire. Okay, now I'm going to mess with the white wires. And here's something you just need to know. You want to have all the white wires connected together. Okay, none of them are going to be connected to the light switches, and so we're just going to take them all. I've got the power off, and I'm going to connect all these together. And I'm going to look at that and see, do I think that's too long or what? You know, code I think says you're supposed to have these sticking out about 6 inches or so. This is right at a little less than 6 inches. Okay, that's fine. Sometimes though I like to make them just a little bit shorter, but I'll make them match. And I can do that and hold it up to see how much I need to have stripped off. I don't care which wire is connected to what, this, that, and the other thing on these. The main thing is that they all get connected. And you saw I had a white wire nut under there, and those white, here's a white wire nut, okay? That's pretty good for 3 12 gauge wires, but for 4, I don't know, I'm not sure. That might be the equivalent of a red wire nut, but I have some red here, and I'm not going to take any chances. I'm going to connect them up with the red wire nut. Okay, got a red wire nut here, and so now I've got to position these and hold them all lined up, and you might have to reposition them a little bit and get them all coming out just right. Okay, these are the neutral line, and every circuit pretty much needs that. And so we're just going to connect those all together. We'd do this differently if this was for an outlet, electrical outlet. But for light switches, we're just going to connect them in the box under a red wire nut. Boy, this thing, usually you've got ears on this and it's easier to turn. And I'm not liking that. And I'm going to twizzle it here with my pliers. And sometimes they say, hey, you're really not supposed to do that, but I find I can get it on there a little bit tighter. I just want to make this snug. You go too much, you could break that, or you could even poke one of those right through. Okay, but if you can at the store, you can get the ones with ears. See this yellow one here? See how it's got ears? Then you can take your thumb and finger and really crank down on it. And usually the red ones come like that too, if you get the right ones. But sometimes if you, depending, you see here, these don't have any ears on them, do they? Okay, so, okay, I got that on there. Now, I've got to take that and I've got to push it into the box. And this is 12 gauge wire, so it's a little bit stiffer. I'm going to put one turn in it like that, and then I'm going to hold my finger on there and figure out, can I roll it straight up? Am I going to go sideways? I'm going to end up going sideways because I want to push this back as far as I can, and I can go sideways because it's a 2-game box, not a single game box. Okay, so I can do that. This has just been painted. I want to try to keep my grubby fingers off the wall. Okay, I want to push that back as far as I can, like that. Okay, there. That's for that. Okay, now we're down to the nitty-gritty. Okay, that's what we want to see so far. We've got all of our black wires coming out. Now we're going to have to talk about this for a minute so we can figure out exactly what to do from here. That's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.